Welcome to Smart Education. Today we are going to solve 9th standard chapter 2 real number practice set 2.2. Practice set 2.2. Question number 1, that is, show that 4 square 2 is an irrational number. Okay. So what is given? Let us suppose that 4 square 2 is a rational number. Okay. Let us assume 4 square 2 is a rational number. Okay. I am taking 4 square 2 equal to P upon Q. Here P and Q are integer. P and Q are integer. Okay, student. Now here I am taking 2 equal to P. The 4 will come here. 4Q. Okay, this is our first left hand side equation. This is our right hand side equation. Okay, this is left hand side and this is right hand side equation. Now here P upon 4Q is a rational number. Okay, because integer are rational number. So therefore left hand side equation, this is left hand side equation, that is square 2 is an irrational number. Right hand side equation is rational number. Okay, we have assumed that 4 square 2 is a rational number, and what we got answer, that left hand side is irrational and right hand side is rational number. Okay, so we have solved question number 1. So I am writing here that 4 square 2 is not irrational number. So it is not a rational number. Now question number 2 is, prove that 3 plus square 5 is an irrational number. Okay, now here also let us assume that 3 plus 5 is a rational number. Okay, we are assuming that it is a rational number. Now here you can see 3 plus square 5 equal to p upon q. It is integer. Okay, now I am taking 5 is equal to p upon q. This 3 plus will come this side, it will become minus 3. Okay, this is our first equation and this is our second equation. This is left hand side and this is right hand side equation. Here therefore left hand side is an irrational number and right hand side is a rational number. Okay, so therefore 3 plus square 5 is not irrational number. We solve the question number 2. So 3 plus square 5 is not irrational number. Now question number 3 is represent the number square 5 and square 10 on a number line. So I have drawn the number line. Okay, I have taken 2 centimeter gap in between. So now as you can see this is negative sign, but I have not taken too much negative sign because we have to solve, that is positive square 5 and positive square 10. Okay, now we are going to draw. Now as you can see I have draw one line which have only one negative point because I have not taken negative side all, because there is no need. We have to solve plus square 5 and plus square 10, and I have draw a perpendicular line from 2 centimeter. Why 2 centimeter? Because as you know that square 4 is equal to 2. If 2 is square 4, after square 4 we will get what? Square 5. That's why I draw a line here. We have to take 2 centimeter from this. Okay, and we have to cut one arc here. Okay, that is Q. Writing here, that is Q. Now we have to put this point on 0, and from here we have to cut one arc. Okay, as you can see, and this point where the arc is cut, that point is called square 5. Okay, after that we have to join this with 0. Now you can understand that we got what? Right angle, that is triangle O P Q. Now again, as you can see, I have drawn again one perpendicular line I have drawn from 3 centimeter. Now you must be thinking why from 3 I have drawn again the line. So reason is that, as you can see, square 9 is equal to what? 3. Okay. 3 means square 9. Okay. So after square 9, what we will get? We will get square 10. So again we have to take 2 centimeter. Okay, 2 centimeter line we have to take. Okay, again we have to cut the arc. Okay, after cutting arc, again we have to put 1 point on 0, another on this point, and cut arc. So we will get what? We will get square 10. Okay, now this is what? This is our, here it will be, this point will be U and this point is T. Again we will join this point. Now I am writing. Now as you can see, we have solved this. Now I am writing Pythagoras theorem, triangle PRQ Pythagoras theorem. Now OQ square equal to OP square plus PQ square. So OQ is what? Square 5 and OP is what? OP is 2 square plus 1 square. So we have to show that we got square 5. So I am writing this. As you know, 2 square plus 1, we will get 4 plus 1, that is 5. We got square 5. Same for OTU. I am writing. Now next question, that is question number 4. Before starting question number 4, I am going to show you method. For example, as you know, 1 to 10 numbers. If we want to find between numbers, we have to first plus 1 plus 10 and divide with 2, then we will get 5.5. Way by dividing both number with 2. For example, 0.3 plus minus 0.5 upon 2 to get the middle number of between this. So here, as you can see, this will become minus, plus minuses will be plus, a minus will become minus 0.3 minus 0.5 upon 2. The answer will be, if we divide, if we subtract, we will get minus 0.2 upon 2. Okay, and after dividing we will get 0.1 minus 0.1 as a answer. Okay, whatever answer we got, again we will continue the sum with 0.3 and minus 0.5. So I am writing first number we got, okay, the second term, and again I am going to take 0 point minus 0.1 plus 0.3, okay, upon 2. So again plus and minus will give you answer 0.2 upon 2. Answer will be 0.1. So this is the second number we got between 0.3 and minus 0.5. Now third I am going to solve, that is minus 0.1, and what is the next number? Plus minus 0.5 upon 2. Okay, now here also you can see we will get what? Minus will become plus, so answer will be 0.6 upon 2. Answer will be 0.3, and the third number also we got, so answer is what? 0.3. Here also the minus sign will come because the big number is minus, so minus sign will come, minus 0.3 minus 0.1 and 0.1 are 3 rational number between 0.3 and minus 0.5. Okay, now second one, that is minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. As you can see, two numbers are here, minus 2.3 and here minus 2.33. After this decimal there is one number and here two numbers, so here also we will take two numbers and here also we will add one more 0. So now after taking this we are going to solve the sum, that is minus 2.300. Again we have to divide this with 2 to get the correct answer. Minus 2.330, okay, upon 2 we are taking. Now after minus it will become plus, and we will get what? Minus 4630, again 2, then again we will divide with 2. 2 2s are 4, minus 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Okay, we got the first number and point will remain after 2. Okay, this is our first number between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. We got the first number. Now we are moving to find second number. So as you know that we got this number, again we will use this number. So I am writing, don't get confused, that's why I am putting one line in between. So I am writing again minus this number 2.3 315, again plus this number we have to take, that is minus 2.300 upon 2. Okay, after finding this, again this will become plus, then we will get what? Minus 4.615 divided by 2. Okay, now again you can see 2 2s are minus, I am writing here 2 2s are 4 point, 2 3s are 6. Now 15 is there. Okay, so I am showing you in the division form so that you should understand. Here I am writing 4615 divided by 2. Point is here, 2 2s are 4. Okay, 6 will come here, then again 2 3s are 6. Okay, then again we have to take 1 down. To take 2 number at a time we have to take 0. Now 2 7s are 14, again 1, then we will take 0, then 2 5s are 10. Okay, we got this number, so I am writing here 075. The second number we got between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. This is the second number we got. Now we are moving towards to find third number. Writing here, as you see, we got this answer. Now again whatever the first answer we get, again we have to write here minus 2.315 plus this number we have to take now, plus 2.330 I forgot to write minus sign here, writing here, now upon 2. Okay, now here I am writing, after minus minus will become plus, then we will get answer 4.645 upon 2. Again we have to divide this with 2. Okay, I am taking here 4645. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again the 5 will come down, again 2 2s are 4, again 1 will come down, then 5s are 0. The point will remain here. Now we got the answer, that is 2.3225. Okay, this is the third number between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Okay, now we can write minus 2.315 and minus 2.3075 and here also minus is there. I forgot to write here, this is minus because bigger sign will always come here. So minus 2.3225 is the answer for question number 2. Now we are going to solve same question number 4 in simple method, which is very easy. So I am showing you question number 4 of question number 1, 0.3 and 0.3 and minus 0.5 we have solved by dividing 2 to find out the middle term, and one more easy method is there which is very easy. So I am going to show you. For example, what is given? 0.3 and minus 0.5. So how we will find? For example, minus 0.5, after that minus 0.4, minus 0.3, minus 0.2, in sequence I am taking, then again minus 0.1, and after that the negative will end, then positive will start, and after that 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. These all numbers are rational numbers between these two. So any three number you can write. For example, minus 0.4, minus 0.3 and plus, I am writing one plus, that is 0.2. So I am writing like this. This is the solution. Solution for question number 1. Okay, same I am showing for question number 2, that is minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. As you can see, there is, after decimal there is a difference in digit, so I am writing 0.300 and minus 2.330. Okay, now here also you can take like minus 2.300, minus 2.310, minus 2.315, minus 2.320, minus 2.325, minus 2.330. So any three number you can take. For example, minus 2.310, minus 2.320 and minus 2.325. These three number also you can take. This is the solution of question number 2. Now I am moving towards 3. Third one is what? Again 5.2 and 5.3 is given. Here also 5.2 is nothing but 5.20 and 5.3 is nothing but 5.30. Now here also we will get what? 5.21, 5.22 and 5.23. This is the answer for, this is the solution for question number 3. Now I am moving to fourth one. I hope you are understanding what I am writing. Okay. Now again I am writing. Next one is minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. Okay. Now here also minus 4.50 and minus 4.60 it is. So we are writing here. So the solution we are writing. Between numbers we are writing. So what is that? Minus 4.51 minus 4.55. We can write minus any three numbers we can write. Minus 4.56 or even we can write minus 4.57. This all numbers come between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. Okay, this is very simple method. I hope you understood. Please practice this. If you practice, then only you can understand. And please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.